Nom nom nom. Nom nom.
Hands up, fiend! Whoa, whoa, no. If you don't help me, I'll spread you. Wait, no. It's me. Look, this is my RV. You stole it from me. Your cousin Badger, remember? What are you doing here? You smell like crap. It's a, long story. Ah, so I see you're making meth and trying to rival me. So, I could fix this, but it'll be like $750. And, like, some other money, I don't know. If you give me that money, you can, like, get out of here. Upwind. Hey, listen, I can't pay you today. Is that okay? I got some chunk change saved in my pockets if you want it. I think that'll do the job. Interest. I thought you had a ton of meth money from making meth. No, I'll pay you back later. How about that? Soon. If you don't get off this RV, which is mine, I'm gonna take your meth and I'm gonna sell it. How about the secret money that I have lying around that I didn't tell you about? That I'll, pay over 2 days. Please don't take my meth supplies. I don't have a ton left ever since they shut down that supermarket. Please, I really need a break here, okay? Robert, come on, please! You know what? That son of a bitch is gonna get it! Yeah, they're making meth in that RV I had. You want it? It's like, I'll give you like 100? Yeah, I'll take 100 for it. Wait, you'll give me like 200,000? Holy shit.